Hi, this is Sumit and I'm from IIEC. Today I have brought an amazing business opportunity where we can sell some of the Indian products internationally using e-commerce marketplaces like Amazon, ITSY, Lazada, and many more. And not only that, we can also do bulk sales from here without even we can do bulk sales even without holding any inventory. Now let's explore this business opportunity, and if it fits with you, then let's do it. So we're exploring the Amazon.com by searching plastic containers. What you see here, these are some of the list of products like 5,000 sales in the last month, and see the number of reviews. 41,000 reviews are there, which is really great, and it is sold at about $35. That means the sale value itself is $1,75,000 only of plastic containers. Just think about the kind of value you are able to make in just a month itself. Almost about 1.4 crore rupees in a month someone can make by just selling plastic containers. Same if you see many more sales are there, 2,000 sales, 3,000 sales, 7,000 sales in the month itself, 3,000 sales, 10,000 sales at $13, 8,000 sales at $29. That means $2,40,000 value of sale. That means approximately 2 crore rupees value of sales in a month people are doing. So if these products are getting sold, I'm saying why not we simply get started with the e-commerce business. This is Lazada.com. This is Rakuten.com Japan. Lazada is Singapore. Rakuten is Japan. And this is Noon, which is Dubai. And here everywhere we can see one common thing, that plastic containers are getting sold on e-commerce marketplaces. And this is where the opportunity is. Now, why I'm showing very specifically about plastic containers in India, the plastic containers are getting manufactured. Manufacturers are not having the ability to utilize e-commerce properly. The market is not even 1% online. Trust me, it's a huge country. A lot of manufacturers are there. We can build our own e-commerce store, list all these different type of plastic containers that these manufacturers make. I'll connect you to those suppliers who are into plastic container manufacturing. We will only list these products and we'll start selling them in bulk quantity. Like just think like if somebody is in Europe, there's a big brand called Woolworth. They've got more than 10,000 stores across Europe and Australia. And with just one partnership of Woolworth, I'll give you the database of such buyers who are going to bulk buy from you. And if they just buy, I'm just telling you, one piece a day, that means 7,000 to 8,000 chains they have. In that chain, 7,000, 8,000 stores they have. And even if they're making one sale on average, that means about 7 to 10,000 sales you can expect in a single day itself from bulk sales. Of course, they're not going to buy one piece, they'll order in bulk only. Selling like 100,000 pieces, that is 1 lakh, 2 lakh containers is very normal amount of sales in bulk. So that is in the wholesale B2B business I'll be guiding you. And you are not doing any buying or selling by investing money. You're simply doing the trade. Because here the investment is from the supplier and from the buyer. You are just working as a e-commerce entrepreneur. You are managing the transaction. Money will come to you. You keep your bigger profits, and then how much money you have to give to the manufacturer give. That is in bulk. But what if you want to do drop shipping? That means one single product sale also. We can do that also. Using our own e-commerce store, we can just list the products and you can start selling them through e-commerce marketplaces, through social media channels, and we can get regular sales. Even in a month, if you do just 10,000 sales, let's assume that you are selling a product which is of $20, you can easily make some 20,000 sales. 1,000 sales, $20, 10,000 sales, $20, whatever it is. You can make some good profits. These are some numbers, but what is important for you is to actually do it. So how do we practically do it? For that, I'll be giving you this one-on-one support and mentorship and guidance where I'll teach you digital marketing. I'll teach you how to do online sales without you holding any inventory with this e-commerce professional program. I'm sure you like it, and you will be learning about how to do this website development, how to manage the day-to-day business. So whether you're working also, you can still do it, because dropshipping is something which is a global demand business. You don't have to hold anything. Simply get started with the business. You can also do export in bulk quantity by doing the global trade program. And with Amazon, you can do sales. I have a program specifically on Amazon, and with the complete marketing automation, growth hacking, and getting in the top of Google search by doing search engine optimization. I'll teach you everything about the black hat as well as the white hat SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, everything in the core. So what people are charging lakhs of rupees, the same program I'm going to give you at super less cost. That is just everything as an all-in-one program. And not only that, I'm also giving you all the certifications from IIEC, which are globally valid. And this is government approved certification. So get the practical training from me and my team will be here to assist you regularly. So the training will have the practical as well as the video-based lectures and instructor-led training, plus live mentorship, plus ebooks, white papers, case studies, everything I'll be giving you. More importantly, this program you will have for lifetime with lifetime access, lifetime update, and lifetime support, and our mentors will be there to guide you. So decide on joining the program today, because this institution, Indian e-commerce, is fully valid. We have been in news all the time. Our students are successful. There are positive testimonials from them. And you also get access of the recorded contents of 17 different modules. You will be learning how to sell on Amazon, how to do marketing automation, every single thing in a much practical approach, and you'll have access of the content. And I'll also connect you to industry leaders and top companies and entrepreneurs who are working with us. This is some of my work which is done in the past, and this institution is fully approved and affiliated with government as well as from top companies. This is my profile. I worked with Alibaba Group in the past, with Amazon, with WTO, with the government of India, many departments I have worked with. So with all the experience and expertise that I have got, and the mentors and experts who are with IIC, I'm sure that you will learn a lot of things that can get you good amount of sales in your e-commerce business. You can transform your career completely from this 9 to 5 job. You can start as a part-timer and you can full-time get into the business, because the amount of money you will make will be the amount which you will not even make in 10 years if you're in a job. That is the kind of potential you have in e-commerce business. This institute is fully approved and accredited. I started this in 2015, just after completing my own studies, and then from then till now I've been running this to make sure that more entrepreneurs like you are successful along with me. So this is my own backend profile, where you can see this is my sales and my result. Same way, I have got my products which I have listed. You can list your own products and you can start getting sales. I'll give you a fully functional ready-made store builder with all the different softwares and tools integrated into this. So trust me, this is going to change your entire life, because you will have your own startup, your own brand, and you will be able to make it successful. I know what I'm saying is something which is easy to do because I have done it. And since it is easy to do for me, I can teach you and you can also do it. What you see right now, these are some plastic containers and bottles which are listed. Do you see any brand in this? These are all unbranded. There are different applications. Some are for hotels, some are for hospitals, some are for restaurants, some are for general office users. So these things can be used every single place, and this will be used even by industries, because they may be looking for buying in bulk quantity, chemical bottles, for example, cosmetic containers. So you just need some deals only for this, which we can do in bulk. So retail sale also will also do bulk. So this entire business will give you an amount of profit that you are not even knowing that how much it is possible. People leave their whole life doing a job because they don't explore what is beyond entertainment in social media. What I'm teaching you is something which is senseful. If you follow what I'm saying you can become successful. I'm giving a business opportunity. If it was a franchise, I would have charged easily about ₹1 crore for such kind of business opportunity. Yes, and this is what people are paying. But here I'm investing majority of the amount, and I'm giving the store builder, I'm giving the suppliers contact, I'm giving you everything from my side as a plug and play ready-made business opportunity. I'm also giving a mentorship. So your effort is what? Your effort is simple. You're simply getting this store builder, you're doing digital marketing, and you're making sales and cracking deals and making money. So the mentorship and the plug and play store builder that I'm giving you, this is something which is costing almost next to nothing. If you invest this much amount in a real estate property, you'll not even buy property also. If you go and buy a house, you can't. Even if you go and buy a car, you can't. In this amount today, people are buying iPhone. Is that an appreciating asset? No. So here it's an appreciating asset. Here you are going to make returns on investment. Here, if you're able to make it successful, I'm showing you some statistics. You can see I'm just searching about the startup funding. Sustainable packaging brand Bamboo, they have raised about 60 crores. This company, Cambridge-based Sampla, they have got about $6.4 million. Biomaterial startup Ethros has announced 11.2 millions for plant-powered plastic substitute. So what you are seeing here there are many opportunities if you get started with this. And you can see recycling solution for the plastic products. This company has also raised funding. That means one thing is clear. There are many opportunities are there where you can simply get started with a plug and play business opportunity. You can start selling these products in e-commerce marketplaces. You can start selling through your own e-commerce store. You can do bulk trading. You can do one-on-one product sales, drop shipping or wholesale drop shipping, source from the manufacturer, sell it. But how to do it, that I'll be teaching you in my program. So join us. Don't miss out this opportunity. Start with a part-time opportunity, part-time 2 or 3 hours in a week you can invest. Slowly, as you see that it is making profit, start investing more time. And with proper digital marketing, I'm very confident that with this skill, you will be able to build any other business also. But this business is going to be profitable I will be involved in this. I'll be guiding you throughout this journey. So join us and start a successful venture with me. Connect with my team and we'll be here to assist you with how we can give you the mentorship that can make a successful business today. Join us.